Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect Shopify to TikTok in 2025. You can start you can start running ads, syncing products, and selling directly to your TikTok audience. Let's dive right in. First of all, head over to shopify.com and log into your account. Then go to your dashboard. Now in the left menu, click on Add Apps. Then hit Shopify App Store. From here, we are going to install the official TikTok app. In the search bar, type TikTok and hit enter. And select TikTok by TikTok. This is the official integration. But this app isn't compatible with my store. This is a click on Add App, then hit install on the next screen. Once installed, the app will ask you to log in to your TikTok for Business account. If you don't have one yet, click Create Account. After logging in, give permission to connect your TikTok Ads Manager and Business Center. Next, it's time to create or connect your TikTok pixel. This lets you track user behavior on your store. Click Set a Pixel. Name it and Shopify will automatically install it for you. No coding needed. After your pixel is installed, you will be prompted to sync your product catalog. Choose the products you want to promote on TikTok and click sync. This allows you to tag products in your Shopify in your TikTok videos and ads. If you plan to run ads, the TikTok app will guide you through setting up your first campaign right from Shopify. Choose your objective like traffic or conversations. Set your budget, audience, and upload your video ad. If TikTok Shop is available in your region, you can link your product catalog directly to your TikTok profile. Customers can buy directly from TikTok without leaving the app. A huge win for conversions. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to TikTok. You can track visitors, run ads, and sell products right through your videos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want a full tutorial on TikTok ads. Thanks for watching.